Welcome back to Forex Travels. Today we'll be also analyzing US30 and NAS100. Before we get into the video, guys, hit the sub button below so you can access our community level, which is this part over here. Right over here. So guys, here is where we share most of our signals since we can always upload videos. So you can see this one has been sent 3 days ago. The other one over here, the other one over here, another one. So make sure you hit that sub button below so you can get the signals as well. So without wasting time, let's get back to the video. So as you can see, already laid out all the levels that we have on the market. Okay, let me do this first. Okay, cool. So as you can see, I've already laid out all the levels that you can see on US30. Since on the previous video, US30 did not make any types of move that we are expecting, no others were open, so we're gonna reanalyze it and see what's the case for the upcoming week since US30 was still constant. So from here, we already know from the previous video that we had a trend line like this right over here. So if you like, you can just put it right over here. Okay, like this. So you already know that you have this trend line and the upper one as well over here. Is it over here, guys? Yeah, right over here. So as you can see, I'm catering for the touches that I'm seeing. So I'm trying by all means not to miss any touches. Okay, so this is a perfect one. So as you can see, we're still on the daily time frame, and we can see that US30 is still failing to break this level over here because last week we anticipated a move to the lower side up until here, but we did not see any type of movement or carry like that. So we gotta keep on analyzing it to see what's really going on, because as you can see, we are anticipating a third touch because this was the third touch on a daily time frame, first, second, third. So currently you can see that the market here is failing to break the level. So okay, let me just zoom in a little bit. Okay, bear with me. Okay, so currently we are over here. Let me remove this, and the levels I just made them before the video, guys, before I started recording, so I can save time. So yeah, so we can see from the previous analysis, this is what we had last time. So we can see how hard it is for us to find the accurate direction for this market. So currently this is what we have, but if we truly speaking, guys, I can't place this level correctly. My hands are shaking, it's cold out here. But if you pay attention, you can see that USD is failing to break this level over here, hence you're still inside this trend line. So currently this is still promising for us when it comes to USD due to this level over here. I'm still seeing sell movements upwards, okay, because you can see a breakout over here, and I think this is a retest that we're gonna push to the lower side. This is what I think. So this is what likely could happen. So I think all we have to do is just be patient with it. So last week the market were not ready for us, so we can take trades. So but as you can see over here, if we break this level over here, like I've said from the previous video as well, we are going for the sellers. That's the only time we're gonna enter the US30 sellers, because if you did enter here, you can see that the market is going back. We don't know if it's gonna break this level or not. So it's better for us to wait up until to see what's really gonna happen before we take any trades. Because even if we go back to the daily time frame, we can see that this level right over here is well respected. I can just move back. Let me just use this line over here, so you guys can see how respected this level is. So as you can see, the market was failing to usually stops around this level over here. So you should pay more attention to it and be patient with it. So yeah, that'll be all for US30. Let us move to NAS100. Okay, so we are on NAS100. This is our previous analysis. Like I said, guys, I want you to pay attention to the things that I'm saying in my videos, because I don't want you guys to make mistakes. Because just pay attention, guys. Just listen to what I'm saying. Easy like that. So, like I've said before, the market was here, somewhere here, and I told you guys that we have this level right over here, which the one is in a dotted line over here. And it's possible that the market will fail to reach this level due to this trend line over here, and yeah, and this horizontal line and this trend line over here. Then, and I told you guys, if you want to enter sellers, you can, but just know it's not likely possible for it to reach this level over here. But if it does, like you, so that's what I've said on the previous video, that don't change the small wins. I remember, I think I made this kind of a setup like this, saying that it's possible, it is possible for the market to reach this level over here due to the trend line over here. Maybe it was going to respect the trend line right over here, and yeah, and all that I say, and again, because we have this line over here as well. This is what I've said on the previous video, but I made it very clear that is the best way is to wait for the market to reach this. Sorry, let me remove this, to reach this level first before you go for the bias, or just take the bias from this level over here, because it's possible that the market will fail to reach this level, because that's highly possible. But if it does, this means our signal is almost like 98%. But as I've said, some of you, I saw you did send me screenshots. We did take trades right over here, and then the market went up with it. And bear in mind that this is a 4-hour time frame, so we are over here with NAS100. You can see there's a lot of pips, so most of you are making a lot of money now. Okay, so I'm just gonna move to the 4-hour time frame now, so I can address this signal right now, because I've been getting DMs from y'all saying about the take profit and whatever. So where the market is at right now, I'll advise you guys to take most of your take profits, right? This is generally for not to lose. You know that you can like be in profits, then the market will close, then you be in profits, then you lose all your profit because you're not willing to close your trade because you're waiting for the overall take profit. What's going on? What's going on? I think I'm losing Wi-Fi, whatever. What's going on with the Wi-Fi? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, the Wi-Fi is back. Like I've said, here, now we are over here, and I want to address the take profit situation. So, guys, bear in mind now, that we are over here, and you can see that the market over here is also well respected. Let me just change the color to green. Yeah. You can see that the market over here usually touches area and push to the lower side, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. So currently we should expect the market like to retest a little bit, because we know that the market doesn't go up, 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 takes breaks while doing that. So I advise you to take most of the take profits here, guys. This is half of the other part. So just take most of your take profits right over here, so that you can be safe. Regardless if the market decides to change its direction, you'll be safe. And then after doing that, on your last trade, make sure you come right over here on this level 15495.9 and move your stop loss right over here. So after doing that, your trade is gonna be looking like this. your stop loss will be sorry, I just want to show you where your stop loss will be at. The stop loss will be right over here. Regardless of what happens, you are still in profits. Get what I'm saying? Even if the market closes, hit your stop loss, you're still in profits. That's something than to lose all your profits waiting for the overall take profits. This is what I'm trying to say to you guys. Just stop being greedy most of the time, because it's not helpful being greedy. I hope you guys get this message clearly. Make sure you take most of your take profits right now, right over here, because we don't know the outcome of the market. So for those who are new to this thing, I guess we'll have to wait up until we hit this level right over here. Because if I were to say, or if we see the market, okay, there's something again. So this level again. So if the market prevails to push to the upper side, and you see this level, let me remove this green thing. We all know where we are. If you see the market trying, let me remove this as well. So if you see the market pushing from this point right over here and retesting this level over here, you can safely say we are going for the bias as well. You can enter after the retest. There's no need for you to wait for the neck break. You can just enter after the retest. We are above this line over here, which is okay, 15768.0. This is all from me, and I hope you all subscribe to the channel so you can access the community part. Yeah, that'll be all from us. FX Travels signing out.